boys and girls. Today we're going to try something a little different. First of all, remember this? The 10 frame and how there were papers in it? We'll leave them there, but I want you to find this paper. Okay? And once you find it, you're going to open up your envelope or your, I don't know what it would be, your folder, whatever it is, and you're going to have somebody help you to put it in so that you'll be able to use it. Now, my other paper is still in there because we're going to use those another day. But for right now, I've just slid this right in the front. So go and see if you can find that. And when you're ready, come back and turn on the video again. All right. Well, I'm going to put mine right up here. And this is so that we can start to practice a little more. And today, we're going to practice the letters. Oh my goodness. The letters A, B, and C. That's what I want you to work on today. Also, lowercase a, lowercase b, and lowercase c. And because I want you to do them the way of the writing path, we're going to practice them together for a minute. All right? So, when we do our A, we would start up here in the middle of the skyline, and we are going to go all the way down to the grass line. We're going to slide down and stop there. Then we're going to jump back up to the skyline, slide down and stop, and right across the middle. Do you see how my lines are all nice and straight? If you had a hard time doing it, that's okay. That's why it's in this little sheath. So you can try again. It needs to be from the skyline to the grass line, slide from the skyline to the grass line, and across the plane line. A, apple, ah. Now when you're making your lowercase a, you have to start on the plane line. Go back on the plane line and curve onto the grass line. All the way back up to the plane line and pull straight down. That's something you can practice over and over again. Notice how nothing went to the worm line. And it shows the letters. Once you're good with A, you could just practice your B's, right? How's that look? Well, they're B's all right, but it's not good penmanship. Our handwriting is important, so a capital B starts on the skyline and goes to the grass line. Jump back up to the skyline and make a bump to the plane line and another bump to the grass line. Lowercase b starts on the skyline, pull down, then we trace back up, touch the plane line and make a bump. Boys and girls, it's okay to practice it again and again and again so that you can learn the size. And the last one I want you to work on today, C and lowercase c. Okay? Give it a shot. A, B, C. Now, this is supposed to be a math video, isn't it? Well, I just wanted to sneak that part in. But we do have some math to do today. I have a paper for you. It's called Tasty Treats. It looks just like that. Down at the bottom, there are numbers, and you can see the dotted lines there. So you're going to get your scissors. And the first thing you're going to do when you're ready is cut the bottom off. Now, what I should have told you is to stop the video and practice your letters. Yeah, you can finish practicing those when you're done. Then turn it back on, okay? Are you back? So you practiced your letters? If you didn't practice them yet, turn this off. Practice them. We're going to practice 3 every day, I hope. Okay, so ready for math now? These are our papers. I cut the bottom part right off, and this is the part we're going to work on. So I'm going to put it on my board so you will be able to see it. Right there. All right. So here's the little puppy. He's sneaking a candy bar, and these are supposed to look like candy bars. But it says to glue on the missing numbers. Now here it says 3, 5. When you count 3, yes, it would be 4. So then you're going to look at your paper. Do you see the number 4? There it is. You're going to cut carefully on the dotted lines. There's my 4. Reaching for my glue stick. The easiest way to do this is to put glue right there on the middle. So now when I count, I'm always going to check. 3, 4, 5. That makes sense. Let's go over here. Ooh, this one's tricky because it's the first one and it's missing. It says 13, 14. How are we going to figure out what goes there? Well, I don't want you to say, Mom, Dad, what goes here? No, I want you to think first. You can do more than you know. So let me see. If I count in my brain up to 13, the number that's before it would be the answer I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. What did I say before 13? Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Let me do it again. See, we never give up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I said 12, 13, 14. I bet it's 12. But now we have to find 12. What does that look like? We have 1, 3, 1, 4. Well, over here would be 1, 5. But what comes before 1, 3? If I was counting backwards, 1, 2. That's 12. So I'm going to cut out the 12. I'm being so careful because I don't want to lose my numbers. 12. And then when I stick it on, I check one more time just to make sure. Does it make sense? Let's say it together. 12, 13, 14. Yes, that makes sense. Well, I am going to let you do the rest of this on your own. Here it's going to be 15, 16. You know it? Good. Then it's going to be 6, 8. This one here is 10, 11. It's going to be the number before 10. And here we have 18, 19. You can do it. Now down here, it has a pencil, not a glue stick. So it's to write the missing numbers. So when you count 12, 14, 17, you have to put the missing numbers in with a pencil. You can do that. I know you can. So there was some numbers and letters to practice today. We're practicing A, B, and C. Lowercase and capital. See what they look like next to each other. Practice. Then you're going to be working on your Tasty Treats paper, putting numbers in that are missing. You got this.